Happy Independence Day. This day marks the 73rd year of independence for India, and this day is considered to be the day of patriotism for Indians. But however, this video is all about 5 things you need to change about the patriotism you show towards India. Hi guys, I am Sharik Fazil Ahmed and you are watching The Unfortunate Reality. Change number 1. Loving your country does not mean loving your government. You need to rethink the way that your mind is conditioned, or you are made to believe. You can love your country immensely and still you can be against your government. Always remember, the Prime Minister, Chief Minister, President and so on are the people that are put in that position by you, and you have the liberty and freedom and independence to be against their policies and decisions if you feel so. And that just shows that you love your country immensely and not that you are against your country. Change number 2. If you see any evil or bad things happening in your society, in your country, you need to stand against it. You cannot just pretend that this is how it is. The corruption, it's been there in India. The nepotism, it's been there in India. The way the politics works, it's been there in India. You need not be a part of politics or any political party, but you can still stand against it. If you feel that you cannot be on the field and stand against it, at least voice out your opinion. If you see there is an injustice happening in your country, you need to voice out your opinions and focus and support on the oppressed, not with the oppressors. This shows your patriotism. Change number 3. We have a strong history. We have a strong culture. We have a strong tradition. Of course, we have tens of thousands of freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the sake of this independence and freedom that we are enjoying. But that only does not define us. We need to look at the future. Our past is with us. Our pride is with us. Just taking pride from the past and not thinking about the future is one of the bad things that you can do to harm your own country. If you are really patriotic, you need to think about your future of the country, and you are playing a strong and heavy part in building that future. Change number 4. You need to think how you can contribute to the growth of this country. Imagine, UAE is an example that I can give you. In this whole big world map, UAE is so small and tiny, and this is in the middle of the desert. Without anything else, this country has prospered so much. This country has become so important in this world map that no one can forget or no one can miss the name of Dubai, which is a small city inside this small country. How did this happen? This happened not only because of the resource of oil. Why? Dubai has very less oil. But this happened because of the right and good leadership, the governance. This led UAE to prosper. If you want India to prosper, you need to make sure you play a part in contributing, be it in terms of technology, be it in terms of economy, be it in terms of any way. For example, being an entrepreneur, working for an Indian company, buying Indian products, and so on and so forth, and voting to the right and the correct people. That will put India on an upper scale. And finally, the change number 5. Loving your country does not mean hating or putting other countries down. Remember, you can love your country immensely, but also wish good and well for the other countries and success for the other countries. Be it US, UK, China, Russia, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Australia, does not matter. You need to think good for the other countries, even though you have the utmost love for your country. Always remember, your country comes first, but that does not mean you put all the other countries down and have your feet stamped on it. You can love yourself immensely, but that does not mean you put others down. So remember, your country tops the list, yes, but that does not mean you should not wish good and well for the other countries. These are the 5 changes you and I need to bring for showing the patriotism to India. If you think that these 5 changes are good and should be followed, share this with your friends who have similar thoughts. Until next video, Sharik Fazil Ahmed.